Hi, I am Paul, and today I'm going to share all the essential information about Folixine before you make the purchasing decision. There are two important alerts, so pay attention. But first, I want to emphasize the importance of acquiring Folixine only from the official website. The link is in the description to ensure a secure purchase. Starting with the basics, Folixine is a powerful blend of 12 carefully selected ingredients. These 12 ingredients aren't chosen randomly. Each one has been selected for its follicle-boosting properties. The precise combination of these superfoods has a proven ability to free you from baldness, regardless of the current state of your scalp. Now, let's uncover how Folixine really works. The process occurs in 4 crucial steps. In step 1, your body absorbs powerful nutrients from selected locations worldwide. These nutrients unlock sweat glands and regulate lactic acid levels in sweat, restarting hair cell growth. In step 2, before actual growth, your scalp is prepared and repaired. Vitamin A and C play vital roles in this process, restoring follicle health. In step 3, a normal hair growth cycle is restarted with the help of a patented blend of 12 ingredients, including the star, vitamin D3, and biotin extracted from a rare algae. The result? In just a few weeks, you'll notice a difference in bald areas, with a significant increase in hair density. In conclusion, this video not only emphasizes the importance of acquiring Folixine from the official site but also highlights the need to commit to the treatment. Remember, your results will be unique due to your body's unique response. I sincerely hope this video provides valuable information, and if you choose to try Folixine, may it bring positive transformations to your life. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share with friends, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and may Folixine make a positive difference in your hair journey.